Hi, I'm Chidamara Mobuna, and I'm the co-founder of The Nod, a tech company building social commerce infrastructure to strengthen entrepreneurship and expand economic participation across Canada with a mandate to recirculate 100 million through 500 businesses. I also previously worked within Alberta's Ministry of Jobs, Economy, Trade and Immigration in the Multiculturalism and Anti-Racism branch, where I focused on advancing inclusive economic systems and connecting communities to opportunity. But beyond the work, beyond the titles, I'm deeply interested in one thing: who we have to become to sustain what we're building. And that's why I'm really looking forward to being a panelist at CORE 2026, because CORE isn't for everyone. It's for leaders who recognize the gap between external success and internal capacity. And at some point you realize more strategy isn't the answer. You need alignment, you need space, you need to rebuild from the inside. And that's what CORE 2026 creates. And if that resonates with you, then you already know. I'll see you there.